Hi everyone, in this video for the Muscle Wizard technique, we're going to talk about how to do trigger points or myofascial release right onto the quads or the thigh muscles. For a lot of people who maybe have chronic injuries right into the thigh, people who are a lot of athletes trying to recover a lot faster, runners, football players, anybody. If you're sitting at the office all day, you might get a little bit of aches and pains into your legs also because you're not moving a lot. So you may have what we call muscle knots or trigger points. And the Muscle Wizard is an excellent tool that you can use hands-free to really be able to dig into those muscles. You can also use it so to the point that you don't have to it's kind of like a therapist digging into your muscles with your thumbs. You can mimic that with the Muscle Wizard. And let me show you how to do it for the quads, what we call the thigh muscles. So what we want to do is let's start off with the myofascial release technique where you're stripping out the muscle. But we don't want to use our thumbs and get our thumbs tired. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one part of it, bring it right over the bottom of the foot, and we're going to bring the other part right on top of the thigh. And it really depends on the angle. So you can make the Muscle Wizard longer or shorter and put your foot in the right angle to be able to dig in. So at this angle, I find out it's the best for me. And what I'm going to do here is as I start bringing that foot down, it's like an accelerator on a car, as I start bringing it down, you can see that the Muscle Wizard fingers are digging right into my thigh. And like that, what I can do is I can really strip out my thigh muscle. And by doing that, some people use things like foam rollers. What we find out with the Muscle Wizard, it's more exact, it's more specific, you can get a lot more intense right into the muscles. On the other side of the coin, if you have muscle knots in the thighs, we can actually make this a little bit tighter. And if I bring this a little bit tighter, I don't have to bring my foot out as much. I can just keep these guys right here, and I just drop my foot. And as I drop my foot, I bring my foot down, and now I'm digging into those muscles. So in this position, my foot is a little bit more this way, and I can dig into the spots what we call muscle knots and hold it there. Notice, guys, it's really easy to use. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure with your foot. It's very simple, and you save your thumbs. A lot of our patients and a lot of our customers and athletes like it because it saves them from getting into going for therapy a lot. So a lot of them save money on therapist costs, and a lot of my patients don't see me as much. And sometimes it's a good thing. They're on the road a lot of times, and they can't see me. So at the end of the day, Muscle Wizard is something that can be used for anybody with myofascial pain syndrome, fibromyalgia, a chronic pain, so athletes who want to recover a lot faster, aches, strains, and sprains, runner's knee, what have you. And we also have a membership site that goes into more and more details with each technique. The thigh technique I just showed you can be done lying down, can be done in a lot of different positions. So it's not just one position. We have full support on how to use the Muscle Wizard once you purchase it. We're fanatical about customer support, and we're fanatical about making sure people use this the right way. So at the end of the day, check us out on musclewizard.net and get a good idea of what the Muscle Wizard can do for you. Not just for your quads or thigh pain, but anything else, calves, hamstrings, low back, neck, headaches, anything that has to do with muscle-related injuries or recovery. Muscle Wizard is one of the best things out there for you. Thanks, guys.